Now my last awesome mop from Eyliden that I want to show you guys is our great little floor scrubber as well. I just want to show you and bring it to the front here so we really can see the features of this. So this is my floor mop, okay? As I said here. So I want to show you guys the great functionalities of this. Again, as we know, right, it has all of the amazing features that make the Eyliden products quite convenient for your cleaning purposes. We have this adjustable head, and we also have our nice little gel foam handle, okay, right? So this makes it so nice and so easy to use as well, okay? So let me show you guys just how convenient it is. What we have here is our microfiber cloth and scrubby head at the bottom, right? So super easy to use, great flat-headed mop, so lightweight and so easy to use, right? It's not going to break your back, it's not going to break your muscles trying to clean your house, right? Also, if you want to see here, the little flat-headed design makes it so easy, again, to reach into kind of hard to get areas, under tables, under chairs, under the dining table, right? So it makes it so easy to use. And once you finish using it, what is so unique is the little bucket that comes with it, okay? So as you see here, the bucket actually has two functionalities. So not only does it have my little handle here that I can conveniently just take wherever I need to go, right? So I would just take that with me. But what's great is it has two little compartments here if you really want to take a look. So it has my dry compartment and it also has my wash, and those are so easily separated. And what's nice is it completely displays properly what you're seeing here too. Let me get this out of the way. So it also shows you here nicely what your functionality is. And what this is it helps to keep your dirty water off of your floor, right? So what I would do here is I would enter it in the wash portion first, and literally that just squeezes in there so conveniently. You know, I'll give it a little back and forth motion just to kind of get it going. That's my dirty water, right? And then again, instead of having to wring it dry with my hands or any kind of other traditional methods, I just will stick it into the dry portion. And that will just squeeze all of that water out there for me. Do you see that? It just squeezes all of that dirty water back into the water portion. So that is quite ingenious, right? And there you go. It's completely dry now, and I can just get back to going and cleaning up all of my stains and everything else that I have. Again, check out my little 360 swivel head design. Allows me to get in anywhere that I need to go. Makes my cleaning super convenient. I like it. Thank you, Leo. I have a comment from Leo. He says he likes it. Give me another comment, Leo. Tell me that I want an Eyliden mop, okay? Give us your comments. Tell us how you want your Eyliden mop, and you can get it for free if you like it so much, right? That's what it's here for. Leave me your comments, guys. If you do like the mop, let me know. Give me that comment. Tell me, leave me that comment saying, I want an Eyliden mop, and you will receive this mop or anything else I have shown you today for free, okay? And if you don't get it for free, you can enter in our 20% coupon, and you can get it at the promotional price, right? And there you go. So as you see, that microfiber design has completely picked up all of that dirt, all of those spills, those stains. Or, of course, it just works as a regular mop, right? So if you have a dirty floor, you want to clean your floor, of course, this is what you would use. And now that I finish, I would just squeeze that out in there, give it a few strokes, okay? It's also wet and dry, guys, right? So it's not just a wet mop, it also works for any other kind of functions, for dry functions too. Look how that cleaned that up already really nicely. And if I wanted, I can always just squeeze it on the other side, and ew, look at that. Squeezes all of that mess right out. And that dirty water is squeezed right out. Great, there you go. You can make it as dry as you want, or you can make it as wet as you need it to be. Whatever that you're looking to do, guys. Super duper easy and convenient. And look how it has completely dried up my floors too, right? So it's really great. The Smart Squeeze bucket helps to make cleaning just so much easier. And here's my dry mess, some of this dust, some of this debris. It cleans that right up, just like that, right? So all of my stains are taken care of, right? From my Microfiber Mop Pad. Again, that makes it so great for all kinds of surfaces too, right? So this is actually safe for all kinds of floors, tile, linoleum, again, your wood floor, your hardwood floors. It's good for all kinds of functionalities too, guys, okay? And again, because of the reusable head, all I have to do is simply just peel this off, right? Because it does have a little Velcro head attachment. So I would just peel that off, just like that. Toss it into the washer, and it's good to go, right? So because of that Velcro headed design, it's a little bit dirty, or else I would remove it. You're able to just peel it on and apply it right back to where you need. Super duper easy, super detachable head, and it's a very economical design, right? So the simple fact that I'm completely rewashing and reusing my product instead of keeping on getting a different head all the time just makes it so easy to use, right? Okay, there we go. Oops. So yeah, guys, so that's